seeing so many tweets and Facebook posts about this explosion. This video just came in from Joey, who tweeted, you saw that explosion in Northwest Houston. A lot of folks had their home surveillance, their Ring cameras running as that happened. And we're seeing so many responses from folks as far away as Katy, Bel Air, Chimney Rock, and Braeswood reporting that they felt it. We even had one gal who says her husband she and her husband both jumped. She says the cats freaked out. They checked the radar to make sure it wasn't thunder, because you heard from our assistant news director, Chris Hanau, who said it felt like a tremendous blast, like lightning hit right out your front door. He lives in an apartment complex nearby, just off Gessner and Clay, so not far from where that explosion happened. And Doug, I'm hearing you have some new information.
I fucking shit myself, mate. Watch out for the shock, it's coming. Holy smoking Toledos.
Allahu Akbar.
Action!
我估计消防队他妈的千万别去扑火。
我操！我操！
Nice.
See what happens. Expected D-bet again. That was big. Okay. That.
It exploded. It didn't go. You feel the heat?
That sounded like a 500-pounder.
Oh, that looks like it's going to be a good shot, too.
А там машина главное стоит. Может, просто вытрем?
Fire in the hole.
Whoa. Jeez. Holy shit. Damn.
You can see the smoke. Get inside, Phil.
Yeah.
Holy sh...
Oh my god!
Jeez!
Yeah, Alex.
Nice.
Sometimes you find the news, and sometimes the news finds you.
Live from Gaza.
I don't know if you could just hear that.
At night, during live shots, during the day, between live shots.
Whoa. Take him now. Take him now. Take him now. Somebody take him now.
Taking him live means the possibility of live fire on the air. A report